greedy? Okay, fine. Walk off. You were gonna get some. Oh, see you later. See ya. You were gonna get some, but no, you don't get any. Shit. Rory! Caca!
Oh my god, we're so leaving this. We're so leaving this place now. Come on.
I'm calling out to the birds.
This is beautiful on sunset. What are you doing?
I'm waving to the ferry to see if anybody sees me. What am I doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Fucking giving birth?
What?
I said, what does it look like I'm doing? Fucking giving birth? I'm waving to the fucking ferry. Gosh.
You look like a retard.
What would you rather I just gave birth right here?
Can't give birth.
I'm never sleeping with you again. Seriously. You should try getting kicked in the balls and then complain about pregnancy and labour. It's like someone getting a knife and shoving it up your testicles, into your stomach, up to your chest, and then through your throat, out of your mouth, and then in and out when you get kicked in the balls.
Rory, just agree with me, okay?
You're going to kick me in the balls if I don't.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, I agree with you.
Okay.
This is the slide. The geckos have followed us, so we're going to make a dramatic escape. Run! Okay.
Your heart's racing, isn't it?
My heart is racing. They're going to follow us up these stairs, so we're going to be badass and slide down.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Can you hold onto the sides as well?
Hold on to the sides.
Yeah. No! Shit. It was scary.
That was so much fun.
Don't fart.
No, I don't have one brewing, unfortunately. And that was just like when I came out my mother's womb. It happened the exact same way. Oh, you're a little cute one, aren't you? This one's trying to steal your home. This is incredible. I feel like David Attenborough. Look at the rabbits! Look at the rabbits! They must love me. I am one with nature right now.
You're what?
I am one with nature.
Rory, I think it's safe to come out now.
Oh, it's okay. Look at how cute it is.
Rory, turn around. No, turn around the other way. Great, now pull up your pants. Yuck! Yuck!
I'm pulling them up.
You're not actually doing this.
Oh my gosh, there is 3 of them.
There'll be more.
Oh, it's too big. Did you just see it? Grab it. Grab it. Like, ah. Oh my gosh, look at the cute little baby one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, that scared me. Oh my god. Whoa, did you just see that? I'm gonna lose a finger soon, aren't I?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the Santa Claus of Pukekos right now. I'm saying that wrong, aren't I?
Yeah, it's Pukeko.
Pukeko. I still haven't mastered the Maori language or something. Like, everything is pronounced weird here.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you pronounce WH.
Yeah.
Instead of it being Wonga Paroa, it's Fonga Paroa.
What's wrong with that?
And
he's like, this is my bitch.
Oh, look, there's a stare down. There's an intense stare down. They're gonna fight. Look, look. Oh my gosh, they're fighting. Look, watch. They're gonna fight. They're gonna fight. This one's pussying out though. Oh, look at that. That's like, yeah, I just won. That's right. I'll lay a smack down on you. Oh my gosh, we're being surrounded. Oh god, it's following me. It's following us. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to be attacked. Everywhere, they are everywhere. I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park, and these are like raptors. Look at my strength. Look how strong I've got. Oh. Oh. Yes.
No, that's treated pine. It's really light.
It's heavy. It's like 10 tons. And I'm just lifting it with my bare hand. I am awesome. True story.
I'm gonna say now.
Whoever gets this chip, whichever seagull gets this chip,
will get what? Eternal glory?
No. Well, they will. But they will also be the greatest seagull in the entire world. Okay? Are you ready for this? Are you ready, guys?